here's your 427 small block Ford. I'll give you a description of this combination. It has got the Pro-Am manifold. Got a set of our CNC cylinder heads on it. Obviously it's boost ready. Custom grind hydraulic roller. Got the TorqStorm set up on it. Really nice turnkey deal. You've got rear sump oil pan on it. Holley throttle body, fuel management, Holley Terminator X, great system. Go in there and make a run, see what she does. Stay tuned. Alrighty, 3,600, 575 foot-pounds of torque, peak torque 794, peak horsepower 904. That's pump gas, pretty conservative tune, so runs really good. Obviously, if you want to, that's only barely 10 pounds of boost. Put some more pulley on it. You can definitely make 1,000 horsepower, not a problem. I'll show you a couple things. When you receive your engine, you'll find this thing looks like a credit card, USB card, full of technical information. Engine build specs, dyno video, things of that nature. Highly recommend watch it. On the engine will be this tag. It will have your engine number, some other specs. Need something from us, that engine number is the easiest way to look you up. Flip it over, it's got this QR code that'll take you some more tech stuff. So highly recommend watch all this. Have a great day.